Hey everyone, welcome back again to another Flutter tutorial. And in this session, we will look into how to print more colorful text here in the debug console. So whenever we try to print any text here in the debug console, the default color is going to be the blue one, right? So apart from the text which we try to display here in the debug console, there are some other text like this. What you see here also gets printed in the debug console. So in order to distinguish these two texts, or if you're someone like me who uses the print statement for debugging your app or to try to find where the app is going wrong, then this package will be a lifesaver. So say for example, what we have here is a simple elevated button, and upon clicking this button, I'll be trying to display the success text message here in the debug console, but which is of slightly different color. You can just notice that this is going to be the primary button, which is the elevated button, and upon clicking this, I'll be trying to display this success text here in the debug console, but which is of slightly different color. You can just notice it. Now if I click this button, you see that the success text, which by default should appear in blue color, is now changed to green color. You can also rewrite this success into error, and if I now try to print this, you see that the text color has now changed to red, which indicates some kind of error text. So by doing so, you can, if you are trying to print some error text, you can make use of this error. Likewise, we have for warning. So warning is going to be the yellow one. Okay, hope you got a better understanding of what we are about to discuss in this video. With this idea and without wasting time, let's directly jump into the coding part and start implementing this package in our Flutter app. Alright, the package which we need to add is the ansicolor package. So this is the package which will help us print more colorful text in the debug console, and always check for the latest version. So this package actually right now supports only Android devices. It won't work as expected in iOS devices as of the video recording date. So there might be some update in the future which allows support for iOS as well. So try to add this package in your PubSpec. And after adding this package, let's move on to the main.dat file. Here in the main.dat file, we have nothing but a generated route which directly points to my home page. And here in the my home page, we have a primary button which we saw earlier, which is placed right at the center. And here is where we need to make use of that package. And to create more colorful text, we need to create an instance. Say for example, we can create instances separately for each kind of status. Like if it is an info, we can provide it as the blue one. Likewise, for success it is green, for warning it is going to be yellow, and for error it is going to be red. So you can just hover over this and you will be able to see the attributes like the background color, whether it is going to be bold or not. So both are going to be a boolean variable. Instead of that, if you don't want this blue color, you can make use of the RGB values as well. You can just provide the red, blue, green values, and you can create your own kind of color. I have actually predefined these kinds of things here in a separate dart file, and in order to print that, you need to just wrap your text inside this, what kind of status it is going to be, whether it is going to be a success, or it is going to be a warning, or it is going to be error one. Okay, if it is a success, then it will print the text in the form of green color, since we have provided the success as the green one. Or if it is going to be error, then it will try to print the data in the red color. Okay, so this package will be very much helpful if you're trying to make use of print statement while debugging your app. Say for example, since it is a basic app, we have a very less kind of text being rendered in the debug console. If you're working with a large scale application, then there might be some print statement which you will be basically using here and there, which is going to clumps up in this debug console. And at that time, this package will be very much helpful in order to distinguish the particular text from other text. Okay, hope you guys found this tutorial useful. If you do so, consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.